Plane number 3 took off from Sapporo Airport about 10 minutes ahead of schedule, landing at Matsumoto Airport with a slight jolt, with the misty northern Alps in the background. Plane number 3 is popular with women and children, as it is wrapped in a design featuring characters from a popular Japanese manga. I took photos around the terminal and to the east and west sides of the airport. I also took photos of the airport other than the plane to create a snapshot video. The plane with passengers on board is pushed back and moved to the waiting area. Then, it prepares for takeoff and heads toward the runway and south toward the turning pad. After waiting for about 35 minutes at Matsumoto Airport, the plane took off from the runway and headed north under clear skies to Fukuoka Airport. If you liked this, please subscribe to Four Seasons Palette, which introduces the attractions of Nagano Prefecture, Japan.